Hi everyone, this is my presentation on new emerging coding technology, gamification. What is gamification? Gamification is defined as the application of typical elements of game playing, which includes rules of play, point scoring, competition with others, to other areas of activity specifically to engage users in problem solving. Gamification can target specific learning goals, are a form of active learning, and enhances problem solving and critical thinking skills in students. One gamification tool I use regularly in the classroom with my students is the iReady Diagnostic and Instruction Program. iReady is an interactive online game learning website for students. It covers both reading and math. It assesses students and provides individualized instruction. It meets the unique needs of all students. Lessons can increase or decrease over time depending on students' progress, and it serves as a progress monitoring tool for various school districts. Within my classroom and integration, it can be used for the beginning of the year data, middle of the year, and end of the year. Progress monitoring throughout the school year. I'm also able to create small groups based on students' needs and learning goals. Can pinpoint, of course, all students' needs and provides another learning source for students, and serves as an intervention program for struggling students. Intervention, we normally go into RTI and base in group students based on their individual needs. Here are some screenshots. This is the math program and reading program. It varies. Of course, this will vary based on which grade level. Since I'm working with middle school students, they're learning to read long passages and identify the main idea of each topic. And here's my reference page. Thank you.